Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade. The NEMIX RAM 512GB DDR4 kit. This isn't your average RAM. We're talking about a powerhouse designed for servers, workstations, and other demanding environments. This kit comes with four 128GB sticks, running at a speed of 2,666 MHz. It's PC4-21300 rated, operating at a cool 1.2V, and has a CL19 latency. Right off the bat, the sheer capacity is impressive. 512 gigabytes is a massive amount of memory, perfect for running virtual machines, handling large databases, or tackling any memory-intensive task you can throw at it. The fact that it's ECC-registered RDIMM memory is crucial for server environments, ensuring data integrity and stability. This is not the memory you would use for gaming. NEMIX RAM positions themselves as specialists in enterprise storage RAM, and this kit certainly seems to fit that bill. The modules are built to the 4RX4 standard, which basically means they have a higher density and are designed for heavy workloads. Installation is generally straightforward, as with most RAM upgrades. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of installation, suggesting it can be done in minutes. However, always refer to your server or workstation's manual for specific instructions. Make sure your system supports this much RAM and the RDIMM type. The real question is, how does it perform? While a full benchmark would require specific server hardware, the specs suggest excellent performance for its intended use. The 2,666 MHz speed is a solid baseline for DDR4, and the ECC-registered feature provides that extra layer of reliability that's essential for critical applications. NEMIX RAM also backs their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a huge plus. It shows confidence in their product and provides peace of mind for the user. They also highlight their IT support staff, which is always good to know if you run into any issues. Overall, the NEMIX RAM 512GB DDR4 kit appears to be a well-built, high-capacity memory solution for servers and workstations. If you need a significant memory upgrade for your enterprise environment, this kit is definitely worth considering. The ECC-registered feature, combined with the lifetime warranty, makes it a reliable and long-term investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.